What is up with it? B2 certified gang, man. Hey, today we gonna be reacting to coughing, sneezing in the hood, social experiment, re-uploaded. Oh, so he re-uploaded this. This Smooth Geo, y'all, I know y'all. Well, y'all probably know Smooth Geo, y'all probably not, but yeah, he doing the coughing and sneezing in the hood, social experiment. But cause of coronavirus. That's what I was trying to say. But let's see how they react. Let's get into the video. Hey, he crazy though.
Hey, fam, you got these in the size 46?
46 for who? Oh,
To me.
Good, man. 46. I don't know 46. The extra size, man.
I got that 46. You work here?
Yeah, I work here.
You don't work here.
Yeah, I work here, bro.
Hey.
What the fuck? Boy, yeah, I gotta go, boy. you sneezing,
Boy,
bitch.
yeah,
I see
gotta
you
go,
like
boy.
cloud of shit. Boy, you gotta go. You gotta go, boy. Boy, yeah, I gotta get on out of here, boy. Come on, bro. You gotta leave this snow, bro. You can't shot here, boy. Hell no, boy. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Go ahead, boy. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Yeah,
Bro, so he gonna call the
boy.
police.
Ain't right.
It's just a
boy.
virus, cuz. Y'all tripping. It's just a
You gotta
virus.
go, baby. You gotta go, man.
Hold on, let me just.
Hey, that man crazy, bro.
Hey, man, what's up, man? You got corona or some shit? Come on, bro. You sneeze and shit. Don't sneeze on me, bro. Hey, man. Say, man. It's your boy. Back with another video, man. Hold on, before the video start, I want to say I kind of do got a little eye booger in my eye, but y'all spare me. Y'all know I'm clean, right? In today's video, we got another hood video. Oh yeah, I'm with my boy Pompano Randy. Yeah, smooth. Yeah, it's time to crank up again. But look, y'all. In today's video, I know everybody, this whole world been going crazy, stupid crazy about this whole coronavirus.
Oh, hell, bro. Everybody going crazy
Only
like
right
that.
now, I'll bring y'all a hood video of the coronavirus. Today we will be doing coronavirus in the hood. My last video got 100K likes, so I gotta bounce back for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. Yeah.
Connecting to your family story
Man, why they give
is
me an
easier
ad,
than
bro?
you think. Ancestry gives you the tools.
Breaking up back, no. Show on that lame nigga, he ain't got stacks, no. Show on that broke nigga, he ain't got racks, no.
Let's get 100K likes on this video. I'm surprised ain't nobody just beat him up. They crazy. Well, I know he probably said it's a prank before he get that far.
Hey man, tighten the fuck up, man. What you mean? Call the mill, man. What y'all playing with like that, man? What I did? You sneezing by me and shit, man. Tighten the fuck up, man. Sneezing? What's your problem, man? I got allergies. Come on. I got allergies. I'm telling you, man, you gonna get yourself dealt with out here, man. Hey, fam.
Hey, bro, already getting ready before he Smooth G already made it too.
I got corona. You might have it. You do now.
That man tripping,
Hold
bro.
on. What you said? The cure for corona?
Oh, long as you black, don't worry about it.
You said as long as you what?
Black.
You know the little virus that's going around? I got that bitch. You got 50? Yeah, I need change. That's your dog over there? Now you gotta tell that boy to get off that.
Man, come on, bro. Coronavirus out here, man.
Nah, hold on. My bad. Nah, I got the sniffles and shit. Like,
You haven't written on them, man.
no, I got allergies and shit.
Hey, man. What the fuck? Bro, come on, man. What you doing? What the fuck that was, bro? You just sneezed on me, man. You tripping, fam? Hey, it's coronavirus, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Bro, the fuck?
You got another.
Hey, bro, was cool about it though. He wasn't even. Bro, was cool about it. I don't know what I would have did. That's crazy.
What's going on here, bro? Just got a pretty crazy.
What you mean?
What you got going on? What you
Bro picked up a piece of wood and tried to wrap it with it.
I ain't got no disease. I ain't got no disease, but I got corona. Hey! You got a lighter?
Yeah.
You need a lighter. Wait, hold on. You got that corona shit?
Yeah.
What? You got that? Come on, Kevin, check it out.
Very psychology, yeah.
You got corona? Say what? You got corona? Because I do.
No, I ain't got it.
Bro was weird, bro.
Nigga got corona in his ass. I got corona. Hold on. What
What you got going on?
Pull up.
Hey, it's crazy because people usually ask you is you alright, but
What you got going on?
everybody like get back now.
Bitch, you need to quarantine. What the fuck you got going on? You need to get
Quarantine?
Yeah. You need to be at the hospital or something. You got to get from around here.
Man, I'm straight.
Man, straight.
I got.
Smooth G out little, bro. Big old tree. And he finna push him in there with the dollars, bro.
Hold on, my G, hold on, nigga. Nigga, hold on. Nigga, I'm talking about the motherfucking drink, nigga.
Okay, what's up? To me?
No, what's wrong with you?
Hey, man, that dude, bro, he just pulled the whole drink out of his pants and bro still want it.
I ain't got no damn virus. Looking like Larry Fitzgerald and shit.
Dang, he scratch bro head.
nigga. I'm a soldier, nigga. Stop playing. It's just a little scratch. Come on. Next clip. Let's slide.
Ain't no way he scratched Mugio either. Got that Rona?
Huh? Are you selling stuff?
Yeah.
What you got?
I got pickles, mango. Hey, bro, step back, please.
What you mean?
You got that Rona, bro. Step back.
Rona?
Yeah, bro. Hold on, bro.
You got that Rona, bro.
Where's my white set, man?
What you said?
Look, can you step back, cuz? I say a fruit shop. Come on, cuz. Hey, shit. Bro, I'm closed.
I can't buy
Nah,
it.
I'm closed, bro. I'm closed.
I just got corona. It ain't that serious.
Cuz, I'm closed, cuz. Please step back, cuz.
I can't get
Nah!
You
You can take everything.
I can take this
Take
too?
everything. Take everything. Hurry up.
But it's
Hurry up. Hey, this the best one. Hurry up.
Alright, so you got that shit. You got it. Bye. No. Take all of it, cuz. Goddamn. Take all the shit. Alright, so. Damn, y'all got rolling shit, man. Now that's going to
Hey.
14 days. Hey, don't take the pickle in. Don't take the pickle in.
Don't take the pickle in, cuz. Hey, she crazy. Hey, that was funny, bro.
Balestico. What it do, mama? Well, you never know who you might find in the hood. Boy, what it do, Balestico? What's your name, Shamar? You look like Shamar. What's your name is? What, huh? About the Let's Go Birds. Supposed to be playing football, you got these tight ass pants on like you about to ride a skateboard. Boy, only in the hood, boy. Only in the hood, boy. Hey, Pale, what you doing, Pale? Pale, tripping, folks. Hey, man, you got $1? Anything like that? Like you ain't got no change on you, nothing like that? What you mean? What you mean? What are you doing? What is you doing? I just asked if you got $1. I just got corona. That's all it is. You said what? What you mean? You said what? Stupid. Camera right there, boy.
Breaking up that.
Hey, that's the end of the video. Hey, the funniest one was when the girl had the little stand when she was selling, bro. That was so funny. She was like, "Hey, just take everything, cuz. Just take everything, cuz." I wonder if he took it for real. I don't know. That was the end of the video. That was funny though. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. That's what y'all want to see next in the comments. Go watch some other videos. More on the way, and I'm out. Peace.